May said candidly, I got us into this mess and I will get us out of it. This line shows a confession with veracity and integrity, with promise and confidence. So nothing relevant is here about putting a lugubrious or somber or gloomy performance. So choice E and F are irrelevant with respect to the performance. And we can eliminate choice E and F. Now, similarly, as she showed enough repentant with promise for forthcoming days, so the statement given does not represent any callous or ruthless performance because it is displaying sympathy or concern for others. So choice C and D are also eliminated as incorrect answers. The confession denotes a penitent or repentant, which is meant by contrite as choice B and rueful as choice A, where both of the choices mean a repentant performance. So the correct answers are choice A and choice B.